Okay, it's about to be the moment of truth. I cut through the inside wall for the vent. Now I'm going to go outside. I put some little pilot holes so I know about where the circle should be. And let's just hope I can get this right. I hate cutting through the walls. Here we go. The outside. And here goes the moment of truth. I'm going to try to look through the holes. Now you can look into the house. Well, let's not leave it like that. Put a hole in your house.
Mom.
You put a hole in the wall.
No.
Well, I walked out and there was not a hole. I came back. You didn't do it?
No.
You sure?
Maybe the drill did.
The drill did it?
Yes.
All right, let's see. And there we have it. It actually did work. The outside and the inside actually matched up and got it in. So now we just gotta run the vent into it. Okay, so there I got the molding on the very top there, finally done today. Today was a whole bunch of small stuff, but it was just little time-consuming things that had to be cut. So I got that one, still needed to do two more, but I ran out of them. I got the piece done up here, the molding that was missing, because I finally finished that wall, the last there. So now I have to get the last piece of molding up there. And I finished this area over here, and I just have to do a frame up around the box now, or I might just cut the little pieces to fit in there, I don't know. And then of course, like I showed in the beginning, I got the vent put in. I need to lower the water heater about an inch or so, maybe 2 inches, but I have space to do that. So I need to do that, and then I'll be able to run the vent through, and I need to get a vent extension. So lots of little stuff done today, and feeling really good about it. All right.
I like it, like it, like it, like it.
You always like everything. How are you liking your Nature's Head composting toilet?
I like it.
Is it working good for you?
Yes, yeah. And I have the fan again.
Yeah, now you have a vent fan. That's awesome, huh? We really appreciate that.
Yes.